Now for a Low Country report, a nationwide opioid settlement involving Beaufort County.
WSAV's Joseph Leonard is joining us now to explain how much the county is expecting to get from this settlement and how it plans to use that money.
It's a county that's experienced over 300 overdoses in the past year, 44 of which were deadly. Beaufort County is expecting a big payout from its involvement in a nationwide settlement.
It is an epidemic across the United States, and Beaufort County is not alone in this.
Beaufort County notched a win in its fight against the opioid epidemic. The county expects to take home nearly $1 million from a nationwide settlement with several companies, including Johnson & Johnson. The money will be used to create programs aimed at preventing opioid overdoses and educating people on the crisis. It will also create 3 new jobs focused on building strategies to combat addiction.
This money will help us treat people misusing opioids, but also outreach the community to learn more about it, so that, let's say I have a son or daughter that I see some of these abuses for, I could intervene in some way or get them treatment or get them information. So I think it's very important across the entire United States because we're in a kind of a dire strait.
One of those jobs will evaluate patients with opioid abuse and fast-track a plan to get them treatment. The peer support specialist will work at Beaufort Memorial Hospital to help with screenings and referrals for patients. And lastly, a counselor will work in the Beaufort County Detention Center and work side by side with medical staff to spot opioid abuse among new detainees. Also, part of the funding will go toward many prevention programs that cover extra Narcan training for first responders, schools, and support groups. Narcan is the opioid reversal nasal spray. Beaufort County is one of the leading parties in the settlement. Tabernick says that shows the county is dedicated to the fight against opioid abuse.
We do care about what happens in our community. We realize this from our EMTs, our hospital emergency rooms, our drug and alcohol department. It's all come to light, and we want to be proactive in our use of these funds.
Now, WSAV did a deep dive into opioids in our special report, What Your Family Should Know About Opioids. To watch the full special, visit wsav.com/opioids. Joseph Leonard, WSAV News 3, on your side.